save as much time as possible, I've already pre-done all the crochets that I'm going to be using. So these are on the beater, if you've seen the beater already before, and these are on the regular latch hooks. So I have on the very first row, which is going to be this one, I have 10 braids. No, these are my beaters. I have 10 crochet braids for each side, the left side and the right side. And then after that, I have 8 crochets on all the other rows. So again, each one of these crochet latch hooks have 8 crochets on there. 8 on this one and 8 on this one. And then these that I have loose here, these are going to go on that top braid, this top braid that I was telling you about. So that's why these are left loose. But this is a quick, fast way to get all your crochets done in a matter of minutes. This hack is unbelievable. I'm going to take my beater. This is the first braid. Put my hair in that beater like this. And we're just going to slide these on. My hair is a little long right here and gets a little thicker up there. As you can see, you can't really see exactly what all I'm doing. But we're just going to slide these on to the end. And see the other beater. And do the same thing for this side. And kind of keep it more to the end because my hair gets a little thicker up there. Now these crochets are smaller. They're kind of small crochets. They're not real thick, which is okay. And again, I'm gonna probably have to put some more crochets here. I'm gonna be crocheting, remember, on this top braid, so some of that may cover, but if not, we'll just fill that in. And just like the regular hat, we're gonna take the ends of both of these and we are going to rubber band them together. My double band. But again, remember, we're starting at the top and not the bottom. All the other crochet hacks I've seen, they start at the bottom and they work their way up. No. Row, we're going to be doing 8. So it's 8 on this crochet hook and then it's 8 on the other one. So if you haven't seen how you use the crochet latch hook, you just take the latch hook, of course with the hook open, you put it on the end of the braid, close the latch hook, and then you want to just pull your hair through like that. And again, the same thing, you want to slide the crochets down the braid. The other latch hook, that's that side, and this is the other side. Again, take the latch hook. Hope you guys can see because I've got my back to the camera. Take the latch hook, put it on the braid, close that latch hook up, and slide these braids up and pull my hair through. Just like that. Super quick and easy, opposed to just doing one at a time, at a time, at a time. So we're going to take that other braid, the ends of that other braid, which is right here, and we are going to put that braid underneath. this one is laying underneath here, and then I have the next one. This is going to make sure that this is flatter because I don't want any humps. If I was to add